Okay, guys, so now here's the second video I wanted to post. All right, and we're gonna go into the assignment that I told you all to do underneath the classwork. Okay, it says STEM fair assignment. It says that it's gonna be due today. Okay, it's supposed to be due today, but I'm gonna give you guys. No, I'm not. So it's due today by 11:59. All right. So when you click on it, like I already went over the STEM Fair packet, so now I'm going to go over these two assignments, and we're going to start with the STEM Fair topics. Now, if I did not approve your topic yet, then you are definitely doing this, okay? And it says conduct research to determine the best science fair topic for you. By the end of this week, which is today, you should have at least 3 possible science fair topics, the materials you will need for each topic, and the website in which you gathered the information from. Once completed, I will either approve or disapprove one of your topics. If I already approved your topic, you're only completing number 1. So everyone has to complete this assignment. So if I said, okay, you guys have an approved topic already, just complete number 1. Make sure you put the materials you need, the summary of your project, and the website. And then you put your name, date, submit. If I haven't approved your topics, then you're choosing your 3 recommendations from your Science Buddies activity, and you are putting them here, the materials you need, the summary of each of each project, and your website. I will look at it tonight or early tomorrow morning, and I will say, okay, go with your option number 2. Okay, go with your option number 3. All right, so if I've already approved your message, your topic, then you are immediately, or when I approve your topic, you're immediately going into the next part of your uh, um, assignment that's due at midnight. Okay. Some of you may have to turn this in on Sunday. Most of you will be turning this in before midnight. And this is your science fair topic research. Only thing you have to do is from your topic, you put your topic right here and you put your 5 facts. Simply put, fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, fact 4, fact 5. Your 5 facts as your background information. Remember, when we're talking about the scientific inquiry, you have to have your background information. Using that background information will help you develop your hypothesis. So you probably already started on your hypothesis, but you don't want that yet. You want that after, sorry, you want that after, excuse me, you gather all your information. All right. So this is the explanation of the 2 assignments that are due today. Try to get those assignments in. If you have any further questions, go ahead and shoot me an email. However, this is what you're supposed to be doing. Okay? All right. So get these in before 11:59. I will see you all Monday. And if no further questions, and as far as you can email me or call or send me a group chat in your GC, I will be talking to you soon. Look out for some information from me as I go through and approve projects this weekend. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.